The District Administration South Goa has ensured that all the arrangements are made for the re-examination of the NEET. The examination will be conducted on this Sunday, 21st of June. We have 4 centers in South Goa district, KV1, KV2 Vasco and KV Ponda and NIT Kunkulam, and total of 1017 candidates would be giving examination on this Sunday. Now, to ensure that the examination is conducted in a proper manner from the safety and security point of view, we are taking all the necessary arrangement. Tomorrow we would be installing all the technical support which is required in the examination center, and followed by the installation there would be a team from the district administration headed by the SDM who would be inspecting the centers to ensure that everything is taken care in the center as per the requirement of NTA, and thereafter the examination centers would be sealed to ensure that everything is safe and taken care properly. On Sunday morning, the venues would be opened and all the students would be permitted to enter the examination venue from 11 o'clock onwards. The biometrics would be permitted only till biometric attendance would be permitted only till 1:30 p.m. So students are requested to come well in advance to ensure that they are reporting the examination center on time. Examination timing is till 5:15. Additional 15 minutes time is given by NTA for this examination. Now, apart from this, we are ensuring that there are proper arrangements made in the examination center. There would be drinking water facility, there would be waiting area for the students as well as for parents in areas wherever it is possible. Considering the monsoon, we are making sure that there is a proper waiting area. Then drinking water arrangement, medical cover would be there. And then for differently able candidates, we would be ensuring that wheelchair is made available in all the examination centers, and clean and hygienic washroom, fan and other seating arrangements are already ensured in all the examination center. Apart from this, KTCL is ensuring that there is various bus service available on that day starting from 9:30 in the morning. These services would be dedicated for the NEET examination. So from 9:30 onwards from Madgoa bus stand we will be having one service, then from Vasco and also from Ponda, and after the conduct of examination also there would be special services on that day. Apart from this, electricity department and all the other line departments are also working in tandem to ensure that we are able to conduct a NEET examination in a smooth and proper manner. Thank you.